Yo, YouTube, what's happening? Man, I'm out here cleaning this thing up, man. I don't know if y'all saw the last video, but we attacking the floorboard right now, man. We stepped it up. I got me some 36 grit on my Harbor Freight, my Bauer, right here. And busting this flow down, man. I'm gonna turn the camera around so y'all can see what we got going, man. We cutting this cancer out. Alright, so y'all see what we got going right though. All this right here, that's gonna be easy to clean up. You already see why I done hit that kind of in the little crevices with the wire brush. Go back, clean this up. My main thing right now, before it get too dark on me, because it got dark on me last night. See how I done got down there and cleaned all that up. Got it down low as possible. Now you see my little outline right here with my black line on the floor right there. I'm gonna just go on the inside of that. I'm gonna put some of this right here in a cup, get me a chip brush, and I'm gonna hit that inside layer. That pour 15 actually it'll attack that rust, you know what I'm saying, head on. So we're gonna go ahead and put that under there before we even start welding those plates back in place, so we'll know for sure that undercoat got that pour 15 up under there, you know. And then once we get done with that, you know, I find a way to hit it from the bottom after I get the weld in there, man. But let me cut you off. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put this pour 15 inside a little plastic container right here, so to make it easy for me to use my chip brush to get it out. Go ahead and get this thing on the floor so I can get at least one half of this car knocked out today, if not the whole thing, because I work. Alright, YouTube, you can see we got the old welder out. I went around the edge of the rim with that pour 15. That's where I just kind of kept it under my metal, because once I weld, I won't be able to get under there like I want to, so I kept it under the metal. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and start tacking my plates in and putting them where I want them. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, YouTube, we just went in there and just kind of tack well around the edges real good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back right here. I'm gonna clean all that right there up, and I'm gonna take me some fiberglass mat, and then I'm gonna take the fiberglass mat and then go around that right there with some pour 15 and lock that up after I clean all this right here up. I'm gonna take the wire wheel over this right here right quick so I can go ahead and start laying my second piece of sheet metal on in. Try to tie that in there and get that down in there, and I should be all right. We just have to get that third piece in there. We'll be straight. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let me clean this stuff right here up right quick. All right. So y'all see what it is, man. Took the wire brush, hit the front up there. I'm gonna put me another 36 grit on my grinder on the DA, and I'm gonna see if I can get them down to the bare metal, you know what I'm saying, in a lot of these other spots. And I'm gonna make it halfway across this hump right here. Once I get halfway across this hump right here, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna vacuum everything out once I get it grind it down how I want to and get this rust off of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and start hitting this PR 15 so I can go ahead and get this side right here done. But I ain't gonna come all the way to the back though, cause I got a spot right there, and a little spot right there that I gotta get. And granddaddy finally had an overload. I don't know if it's a major heart attack, a little TIA, but we're gonna see, man. We're gonna get this grinding wheel. I'm gonna put this 36 on there and throw me a mask on right quick, and I'm gonna get off in some of these little tight spots right here so I can go ahead and get this pour 15 laid down in this thing, man, so we can go ahead and get this thing done. But overall, man, just to let y'all see that floor back in there. That floor is in there, you know. So y'all stay tuned, man. Let me get back to work while I got a little bit more daylight. Yeah. See the rest of them little cancer spots right there? I'm gonna knock all of them right there down with that DA 36. I'm gonna use the 36. I'm gonna go all the way down. Now get that thing that chemo treatment. We're gonna cut all that out. But see the floor? Welded in there. Spot right there. Spot right there. Spot right there. I got to put some material in there. I could do that with the welder. But the floor back in there. Don't play with your boy, man. The floor is in there. We're gonna go ahead and get that thing done, man, so we can go ahead and pour 15er right quick. Them little seams and stuff right there. I'm gonna just take me some fiberglass and lay that pour 15 and that fiberglass on them thing right there so I can leave that nice and smooth. Yeah. Yeah. See the rest of them little cancer spots right there? I'm gonna knock all of them right there down with that DA 36. I'm gonna use the 36. I'm gonna go all the way down. Now get that thing that chemo treatment. We're gonna cut all that out. But see the floor? Welded in there. Spot right there. Spot right there. Spot right there. I got to put some material in there. I could do that with the welder. But the floor back in there. Don't play with your boy, man. The floor is in there. We're gonna go ahead and get that thing done, man, so we can go ahead and pour 15er right quick. Them little seams and stuff right there. I'm gonna just take me some fiberglass and lay that pour 15 and that fiberglass on them thing right there so I can leave that nice and smooth. Yeah. Dude, the old welder, I ain't gonna say it went out on me. It just stopped for the day. It said overload. But that's as long as that thing ran, and it was hot outside. So, you know, with it being hot outside, probably about 95 degrees, me having it sitting on the ground and everything, you know what I'm saying? And then letting it run from 2 o'clock to about 5 off and on. You gotta expect that. So we couldn't catch Harbor Freight today. So we over here at Walmart, and just the thing, I don't even know if Walmart gonna have any welders, but we're gonna slide down these aisles and we're gonna see. I see they got shop vacs, little shop vac there for $24. We did good. We did real good with what we bought over at Lowe's. They try to get you with that shop vac for real. But yeah, man, let's see what he got here. That's a stick welder though. They got a stick welder in here. Man, I thought they would have had a flux. It's been a minute since I used a stick welder. I ain't even gonna lie to you. There ain't really no difference. But you know, you gotta really be on point with that stick welder though. One thing about the stick welder though, you ain't gotta worry about all of that bonding and clogging up, or your wire getting stuck, or whatever the case may be. So I don't know, man. We're gonna look and see if they got one that's flux. If not, I'm gonna see what's what on this one, man, because I really don't need it. The night winding down. This is 70 amp, 115 volt, high, low. So we're gonna think hard on this one right here and see what's what, because you know I got all this flux and stuff. So let me walk around and see what else they got in here. I know they gotta have another one in here because they got it advertised. If they don't, then so be it. We just won't get none. We'll wait till tomorrow. Cause the stick welder, like I say, it'll be different. I do know how to stick weld, but y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube. We left that thing out to cool down a little bit, and we came back, man. I ain't gonna tell you no lie. She finished the job. He finished the job. Granddaddy went on in, cuz. So now we about to take this DA and we're going ahead and bust what we can bust down. Get this thing all the way down so we can go ahead and put this pour 15 down in these little spots right here. So we ain't got much to do. It looked like a lot, but we ain't got much to do. That DA gonna get to it, man. So y'all stay tuned. All right, YouTube. I ain't gonna complain, man. Today was a pretty productive day, man. I'm gonna put this pour 15 on that floor tomorrow. I was gonna do it tonight or this evening, but you can see I be going so hard, man. The sun be catching me, man, going down and stuff. But you see a big difference now where I done went back and clean up all of that cancer and everything in the floor. And it was like surface rust, to be honest with you, but I mean, you gotta do what you gotta do. Glad I got that back in there. So you can see how sturdy that thing right there is. So she ready to get pour 15 now. Man, see, I got that thing sitting over there. I just start putting everything back inside the car, man, because it started getting late. But turn you around for a minute. Happy the old welder kicked back on. You know what I'm saying? Glad I got back in time. I went and did my little grocery shopping. I'ma see how far Granddaddy get me tomorrow on the other side, which the other side ain't as bad as this side over here, so I don't have to really replace a whole big section of the floor like I did on this side over here. So that's the good part about that right there. So with that being said, man, the tub that I got, the metal that I actually got is great. It ain't got no rust on it, but I still end up getting the paint off of it, so that way when I do cut that piece out and put it down there, I'll still be able to, well, I mean, I don't really have to do that. I could just pour 15 over it after I tack it in there or whatnot, and, or weld it in there, or whatever the case may be. I still got to go on the other side, cut the screws, the factory screws, bolt up screws for the seats out. I don't know if you noticed, but if you look back, I already got the bolts or the screws out, cut out on this side right here. So if I can go ahead, what I might do is I might go ahead and first thing first, before I even pour 15 this floor, I might go ahead and line the seat up and go ahead and at least tack weld my bolts in there, or weld my bolts in there for the new brackets. The way I really want to make them is just, I thought about just welding the bracket down to the floor, but then I don't want my carpet to look all tacky when you got to cut it to get it over that bracket. So I'm going to just go back with lining up me some holes, probably 2 inches in, and weld them, or just see where I'm at on the floor. And then, you know what I'm saying, mark everything up, get the seats to the proper height and everything, and then go ahead and weld everything in. But that's tomorrow's another day if the Lord's will, man. We're going to try to get that done. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm sitting here looking and thinking at the same time. So with that being said, man, I'm going to go ahead and start picking up some of this stuff and getting it back inside the shed. Get the Audi seat back inside the car for the night. Because that's another thing. I didn't want to pour 15 it and then drag that seat out the house, because I ain't going to lie, like, it's got some weight on it with the motors and all on it. So yeah, I much rather just go ahead and get everything kind of wrapped up in one day. So with that being said, tomorrow, my first thing that I will be doing kind of early, if the Lord's will, I will be out here. I'm gonna look at the other side of that floor, man. But since I already got this open out right here, man, I'm gonna go ahead and pour 15 everything that's got open, you know what I'm saying, metal on it. You know what I'm saying, tomorrow. I wish I could get to it tonight because I don't want any moisture on it, but that'll give me a chance to actually hit it with some grease and dirt removal, whatever the case may be, and get at it hard tomorrow, so I can go ahead and get that done. Once I get that done and get the seats all mocked up in there, I don't know where we go from there, man. We probably just go starting with the back seat. I'm gonna cut one of the brackets off of the back seats and see how those bucket seat fit. So that's a whole nother video right there, man. But what I need y'all to do, man, I need y'all to hit that like button. I need y'all to hit that subscribe button. I need y'all to hit that bell so y'all can get these right here on notifications when I drop these videos. Because I get to y'all raw and uncut, man. I ain't sitting here trying to cut no corners. I'm letting y'all see what it is with these old schools, man. For these guys to say they got 150 in them, could be. I don't know. But the thing is, are you doing this? Are you taking that car down to the metal? Are you replacing bad spots in that car? You know, because if you're gonna do that, you know what I'm saying, I can see you having that value or that dollar in that car like that. You know what I'm saying? But that's all on your body, man. You can't expect for him to tell you something if you ain't there to see him work. But with that being said, though, man, again, man, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell for the notifications, man. Follow me on Instagram at rich_everything. Hit me in the comments. Tell me what y'all think. I by far ain't no welder. I'm out here trying to grind and get it by myself, man. A lot of y'all probably know me from running with a whole lot of other cats. We leave that out, you know what I'm saying? Being behind the camera, doing TV shows, blase. Just follow me on Instagram, man. You'll see what's going on, man. But your boy Rich, man, I'm about to go ahead and get some of this stuff up, man, so I can get in the house and take me a nice shower and go ahead and I think I'm gonna eat me some salad tonight, and probably it's a little hot, but I might take me a little drink to wind down. And of course, if you're watching this video, I'm about to edit it and I'm about to drop this on you tonight. So your boy Rich Everything, man, I'm out.